Hello, and I hope you enjoy this next video. Steve and Lori Carmichael here, and we want to give you the lowdown on the operations of the ASP XL made by Vollara, a company we've represented for 4 years now, all 50 states and Canada. And what we want to do is help you understand how this works, how to work it. An Air and Surface Pro, or ASP XL, meaning kind of extra large. So we have a unit that'll go up to 2,000 square feet, but this came out a little over a year ago and will cover up to 3,500 square feet. It also has a 3-year limited warranty, which covers 3 years on the box, the electronics, the fan, the blower. And the limited just helps remind us that the cells in this, the ActivePure cells, the most important technology in this, they're warranted for 1 year, okay? And we'll talk a little bit more about that as we go along. So if you've unboxed this and you remove the plastic from the front and you've got your cords out, and by the way, this is just our sticker, if you don't use an air purifier, you are the air purifier. And we kind of think that's sort of cute, but it doesn't come with it, just so you know. So here, I'm plugged in. You want to make sure that you've got electricity to the outlet. This is no more complicated than a printer cord. And it plugs in nice and firm. All right. And then there's only one place to go on the back side of this. You're going to plug it in right here. You hear a little beep. Maybe you did or didn't, but it beeps when it gets power. And now this is what's important to understand. 3,500 square feet. It weighs about 10 pounds. It's about 15 inches high, 12 inches wide, 12 inches deep. Only burns about 56 watts of energy, so very energy efficient. So here's your power button. You able to see that okay, Lori? Mm-hmm. There's your power button. What do I do, not plug it in?
It's unplugged over there. It's not all the way up.
Well, then, like I said,
there it goes. It's on now.
Yeah, so there, perfect example of live video and how things can go wrong. Now we've got electricity, we're plugged into the back. There's the power button. It always comes on when you power it up. It's always going to come on. These are fan speeds. There's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, that's the fan speed button. And this is the ionizer button. So if you want to run it without the ionizer, you can. I don't know of an application where I wouldn't run it. So if somebody figures that one out, I'd love to know, but you do have that as an option. Keep in mind that ionization is what helps drop the particulate matter out of the air very quickly. So when you turn this on, we clear out the breathing space, and the ActivePure is the solution to the pollution, and everywhere where air can be exposed to things, so anywhere air can go, then the ActivePure is going to denature the pathogens like mold, viruses, variants, bacteria, mildew, things like that. So it comes out of here very, very fast, about 1,200 feet per second, just like log gases. If we were to cook some microwave popcorn, if Lori put that in there, I'd smell it upstairs, about like that. So gases will disperse very fast. Surfaces and air is what we're dealing with to get rid of the pathogens. We denature them, we inactivate them. So power button, fan button, ionizer button, and then you have a reset button. Why would you need that? Well, over here in this blank spot to the left of the cell light, every 6 months on this device, the cleaning light's going to come on. Now keep in mind, it doesn't know if it's dirty. It's just a reminder. So when you go and vac it off the back, and that'll be a different video, we'll do a maintenance video on this too. When you vac it off, put it back together, plug it in, turn it on, that broom is still going to be flashing at you, okay? Because it doesn't know if it's clean or dirty. And you're going to go, well, maybe I did something wrong, but you didn't. All you have to do is you come over here to the reset button, put your finger or thumb pad on there. About 3 or 4 seconds, you'll hear a beep. That flashing light will go out, okay? And you do that while the unit is running. Now, at about a year's worth of running time, you can show down here, Lori, that cell light will start blinking blue. And when it does, that's when it's time to call Steve or Lori or call your independent distributor, whoever you worked with, and get another ActivePure cell ordered. And there's 2 in here, okay? There's 7-inch long ActivePure cells. And the thing of it is, when that starts blinking red, your ActivePure cells are dead, and you're no longer getting the denaturing of the pathogens, and you don't want that. So when it starts blinking blue, blinking red, it's dead. When you replace the cells and it comes back on and you're ready to go, then that will be solid blue again. If it's blinking red still on this unit, you need to know that you've probably not properly connected the electrical wires on those two ActivePure cells. That's important to know. And so anyway, that's how this operates in a space, you know, again, 4 feet above the ground, away from your cold air returns. And there's lots of information you can find out there. We, of course, have our own website. You can go to activepure.com and find all kinds of information about the science behind this. And know this, that if you own this, you have the best technology for air and surface purification, bar none. All right, so you've made a good decision, a good investment, but protect your investment by proper maintenance, okay? So thanks, we'll see you again. Be sure to check out the operational video on this, okay? Bye-bye now.